How to find high ticket affiliate marketing products. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a quick look at some of the top affiliate marketing products. So let's get into it. Now, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn some passive income. There are so many people promoting affiliate marketing, and it can get a little confusing. So this video will help you in finding some of the best products to promote and to earn high commissions. Now, what does high ticketing mean? High ticketing means that I don't want to, if I'm promoting a product, like let's say I'm promoting a water bottle, and I have, I get, even though it's like a $50 water bottle, and I get $1 for every sale that I make, or every time someone purchases via my link. That's not going to be a great income stream. It's not that bad either, but it's not really the best income stream out there, because to even earn a livable wage off of this, or livable passive income, you would have to sell like over 100 bottles every day to earn $100. So that can be very unrealistic. We're looking for high ticketing affiliates, which means that you want a affiliate product that once you create a sale for it, you get like $100, $200, $300, so, or even more. So you are able to not only just get, one or two sales a day, could really earn a very large amount. So let's get into it. Now, Affiliate is actually just a website that allows you to manage all of your affiliates together, because I will be recommending multiple different affiliate sites. Now, the first high ticket affiliate that I recommend is Augusta Precious Metals. This is a premier gold IRA company. It's basically like a very large amount of retirement funds are being held in here, and this will allow you to earn money as an affiliate. The more people you get to sign up to the Augusta Gold IRA affiliate, which are retirement funds, the more money you can make. So the best part about this is that you get around $165 to $200 per qualified lead. So that is not even for your sales that you make, so not even for the people that sign up or get started with investing their money with Augusta Precious Metals. Even if you give them a lead, you will actually get a revenue share as well as 165 to 200 US dollars. Now, the best part about this is that you get qualified leads, and with every lead that you provide, that is the money you get. And if someone actually invests via you actually get even more bonuses. So the more leads you get, the more people that you get to sign up with their retirement funds, the more amount or the more percentage you get. So you start off with 8% commission, and then you move up to 10% commission after you provide them with a few leads. And you guys can see that they have quite a few different benefits. They have multiple different marketing tools and materials. The IRA process, fees, economy, inflation, all of that good stuff is provided, and you can get started with helping people with their retirement funds and investing in a safe and stable option. Now, the next affiliate program that I recommend is Goldco. It's basically the same as Augusta Precious Metals. It's a similar aspect, and I really do like their affiliate marketing product as well. So you guys can see that their affiliate program details are provided over here, and they don't provide like a lot of details on what kind of income you can expect for leads. However, for investments, the investments are actually pretty great. They pay around the same as Augusta Precious Metals in terms of just sign-ups and leads. And the best part about this is that every month they are paying millions with affiliate programs, and you can really get a lot out of their affiliate marketing program. And it's super easy. It's super easy to get started. You just have to fill out this very basic form. So you can just fill out this very basic form, and you can get started with Augusta as well as Goldco. Now, moving on to our next website or affiliate marketing program, we have the Bitcoin IRA. So people are now investing in cryptocurrencies instead of gold, and this is a Bitcoin IRA. This is another amazing way to get started with affiliate marketing. They have high commissions, it's easy to join, It has a lot of support, and they have their 30-day referral period. Now, in this, I recommend actually Goldco to be a better option. Goldco actually has longer affiliate cookies, so, and even better are Augusta's affiliate cookies. So Augusta has a 90-day cookie duration, while Bitcoin IRA actually only has a 30-day one. So although both are amazing and I do recommend both, it still is something you should know whenever you are looking to get started with any affiliate marketing product. So the next that I recommend is FX Primus. So this is actually in a different niche. This is a online trading platform that allows people to access multiple different trading markets like forex market, metal markets, energies markets, and equities as well. You guys can see this is a very well established platform. It's not like one of those shady platforms. It is a registered trading platform that enables people to trade. So this is not one of those shady platforms. It's a registered platform. It's safe, it's easy to use, and I definitely think that it has an amazing affiliate program as well. Now, moving on to a slightly different niche, we actually have a niche of Rebag. So Rebag is a second-hand marketplace for luxury items. So think of Hermes, Chanel, Louis Vuitton. All of these are super expensive items, and Rebag is a platform that enables people to sell those luxury items. Now, these products cost like tens of thousands of dollars, like they $10,000, $5,000, $6,000. And Rebag has a affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions up to 5% for orders below $4,000. So if someone orders something off of Rebag and it is selling for like $3,000, 5% of $3,000 still amasses to a very large amount. And you get 3% for orders above $4,000. And that is actually a very good price because considering how much people purchase, how much purchasing power these kinds of consumers have, it's very amazing how you can market these products differently to different consumer bases. And I definitely do think that this is a very easy niche to target, even if you have no prior experience in affiliate marketing, as long as you're good at, selling expensive things to rich people. I think you can easily get started with Rebag as a easy and simple option. Now, the next affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing that I have is Velez. So Velez is a online platform that allows people to charter private jets, to book private jets, and they have a affiliate marketing program. So you can earn upwards of $1,000 in commission for each individual private jet that you get booked. So if you get one booking, you're gonna get $1,000, and you get a 30% profit share, which is unmatched and can really not be compared to any other affiliate marketing program. So all you have to do is click on become an affiliate, and that is it. So this is another way that you can just sell expensive things to rich people. Now, the next affiliate marketing platform that I recommend is Thinkific. So this is a high ticket affiliate marketing program. Thinkific allows you to earn commissions with their simple platform. They also have a 90-day cookie period, a 30% lifetime recurrent commission. So you can earn upwards of $1,700 per referral every year. And although their referrals initially don't make you a lot of money, as long as the person is repurchasing Thinkific or renewing their subscription, which most people do, you're going to get a compounding payment. So let's say you earned $100 for someone signing up, and the next month you're going to earn 60, and that's going to be for absolutely no reason other than the fact you got them to sign up once and they are renewing their subscription. So this is a great way to compound your income and can be super amazing for people looking to do this simply and easily. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are able to get started with affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing specifically. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.